Hey folks, we're having a problem with our AC condenser, and they said the dryer wasn't working properly. So Jeff and I have taken the dryer out, and we're going to see what the problem is because, hey, it hasn't been working right, so we wanted to make sure. So Jeff has already got most of it pulled out, and as you can see, he's got the plug out of there already, and he's pulling that out. He's pulled the dryer out.
And there's a bag of desiccant.
And he's going to pull that the rest of the way out, because that... But there's something in there. What the heck is in there?
I don't know.
Get it out of there. It shouldn't be in there. Pull that out.
What the heck?
What the heck is in there?
What?
What in the world is that? Open it up. Is it a note?
What the heck?
What the heck does it say? We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty?
Oh my God.
Oh my.
For real.
Really?